Alex here with an event video on the state of Nevada versus Shawn Ashdown, a case involving a father accused of kidnapping his 3-year-old daughter and hiding out at campsites in Utah for over a month. Mr. Ashdown allegedly told deputies that apprehended him that his actions were justified because his ex was a, quote, bad influence, unquote, to his daughter, and that his drug testing of the child came back positive for marijuana. A deputy that booked Mr. Ashdown noted that the sub-zero temperatures in the area were so dangerous and so cold that the doors to his patrol vehicle were frozen shut. The defendant presumably denies the allegations and, as with all criminal proceedings, is presumed innocent until proven guilty. District Court Judge Gary Fairman and Justice of the Peace Stephen Bishop have allowed electronic coverage of the Family Court and Justice Court proceedings, both hearings of which we have already recorded and will publish shortly. The state of Nevada is represented by Deputy District Attorney Melissa Brown. You can keep up to date with our coverage schedule by visiting the Media tab on ournevadajudges.com, and you can post any questions you have down in the comments below or send us an email at media@ournevadajudges.com.
With respect to this particular case. The court has been made aware that criminal charges were filed against Mr. They are not in the district court at this time, either in this department, Department 2, or in Judge Dobrescu's department, Department 1. So the court does not know the status of the disposition of any matters that might be pending in the Ely Justice Court. So at this time, though, I don't want you to talk about your case, Mr. as far as what's going on in Justice Court, but is there still a court proceeding pending against you in Justice Court?
Yes.
Okay, very well. So with respect to this case, then, the court will certainly consider input from both and from Mr. Concerning the placement of during the interim. And I will certainly hear from both of you concerning your positions in this matter concerning placement pending further disposition of this case and potentially what may or may not happen in criminal proceeding. The one thing that I want to tell you, Mr. I'm not your attorney. I can't give you legal advice, but just in general, as I would everyone in court that has pending criminal proceedings, and they also have a civil matter that's sort of adjoined to it, is I advise you not to talk about the facts surrounding the taking of and or what's happened. The reason that I say that is you have a criminal action pending against you, and anything that you may say in this courtroom can be used against you by the state in your criminal case. You just need to be made aware of that, okay? So, this is not a privileged hearing. It's not protected